Good afternoon, everyone. This is Grizzly, and this is the recap of the day trades I took today, the ones I called out in the Discord. And one of these I actually gave my followers on Twitter pre-market. So if you're not following me on Twitter, go follow me. If you like this sort of content, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's get right into this. First trade was on Facebook. Now my level was right here at 382 for 385 call options. What that means, when it reaches the level 382, the price of Facebook is 382, I'm going to take 385 call options. But in this case, the market opened real choppy. I didn't like the way it was opening. Kind of moving back and forth, some sell-offs. But, Facebook looked strong. When other things were selling off, Facebook looked strong. And I see, had good volume compared to some other stocks this morning. I called out my entry right here. We had a nice push up. What made me call this entry out, when it hits this prior day close, sometimes it has a decent move past it. I've just noticed it. I've watched it a lot. I use this indicator every day. But the volume helped me confirm this. Anyways, called out my entry. Nice move up. Hit my watch list level. Broke through it. Nice push up to 382.7. I was just about completely out of my position on this candle here. Beautiful trade. Now, for the next trade, I had a lot of questions about Tesla. They're like, people's like, why did you take this trade? What did you see? And I'm going to show you what I've seen. Okay, this is a 5-minute chart. As you can see here, this is the first candle. If you look, I created this little trend line. We had a downtrend. You can see it touching as it goes down. This candle here, broke out. I didn't call my entry on this candle. Right here's where I called my entry. I was waiting on us to open above the 9 EMA, and that's what happened here. We opened above, had some really good volume on this candle. Nice push up, kind of flagged out here, continued on. I was completely out of my position at that 738 level. It did continue on to 740, which I suspected it would. I called that out as well. Beautiful trade. Now, this is the last trade I took. This is not my favorite setup, but it was later in the day, moving slower. I seen a chance to make some profit, so I took it. I called this trade out. Wasn't a huge gainer, but it did exactly what I wanted it to. Alright, this is a very simple explanation behind this trade. We had some volume come back in AMD. Not huge volume, but a little more than we had here. Pushed up, it got above VWAP, as you can see here. We're above this 9 EMA. I said, I tried some a little bit earlier, then I called it out just in case we was having a little false breakout, or maybe we found some supply up here. But, continued on. I said I'm going to completely be out of this position at 111. As you can see here, it took it an hour or so to reach this, but it finally reached this level at 111, and I was out. I trimmed some on the way out. Nice slow trade. Great to practice on. Looks like we may even be getting ready to break that 111 here soon if we can get some volume back. Anyways, that sums up the trade for the day. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, DM me. I appreciate you all watching. I'll see you for the next video.